Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif, Chapter 4, question number 29. So the following diagram shows points that can be connected to form a geometrical shape. So we have to find the possible number of ways to form a triangle. So by forming triangle means we can either join one point with any 2 points from the second line. So this is, let's label this one first line. Okay, first straight line, line 1, line 2. So it's either 1 point from line 1, okay? So from 1 point from L1, okay, followed by any 2 points from L2, or 2 points from L1, followed by 1 point from L2. Okay, so we have 2 conditions here. So if 1 point, just choose any 1 point from L1, we have 4 points to choose from. So 4, choose 1, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 points, okay, in L2, we choose any 2. Plus, from line 1, we have 4 points, we choose any 2, followed by 5 points from L2, we choose any 1. So let's put this key in the calculator and find the answer. So we have 4C1, followed by 5, choose 2. Okay, that is 40 ways to form the triangle. With 1 point from L1, 2 points from L2, and then, or we may have choosing 2 points from L1 combined with any one of the point in L2. So we have 30 ways to make the selection to form the triangle. So all in all, there are 70 ways to form triangles. Okay, let us move on to part B. Now, to form a quadrilateral, we have only one way, that is 2 from L1, 2 from L2. Okay, that is impossible to have 3 points on L1. That won't give us a quadrilateral. Okay, therefore 2 points from L1. So 4, choose 2, and followed by 5, choose 2. Okay, so let's get the final answer from the calculator. 4C2 followed by 5C2. So the number of selection that can be made is 60 ways. 60 ways. All right, now next we have part C. Now for part C, a triangle in which point A or C, but not both, and F must be used. Okay, this is very, very specific. A or C, but not both, and F must be used. So for part C, since F must be used, so we either have F, A, something, or F, C, something. Okay, so since F need to be used, biased must be chosen. And next, A must be chosen. So we left with the remaining, how many points for us to choose from? So if A must be chosen, F must be chosen, so the remaining will be, now, when A is chosen, C cannot be chosen. So cross out the C. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The remaining 6 points. So we just take 6C1, okay? Or means plus. The second scenario is when F must be used, C must be used. If C must be used, A cannot be used. And therefore, we left with the remaining, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6C1. So twice of 6C1, let's find out what is the value. Okay, 2 times 6C1. 61 is actually 6. So we have 12 ways. So the answer is 12. So we got the we found the solution for question number 29. That's it.